Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about solar distillation. So this solar distillation is a very simple process of purifying water. It's just a simple, very simple process that we put the impure water here. If you look at this picture, we put the impure water here, and we have the glass is placed on here. Using the solar radiation, the water will be heated and the water vapor will be hit on the glass surface, and then it will condense. The water vapor will be condensed and collected as a pure water. It's a very simple process. Just in our house we are heating the water to make what purify the water. The same process we are using by solar radiation, freely available. So that's very simple. We look at in different pictures so you can understand in more detail. So we have a solar radiation falling onto this glass surface, and if you look at here, this is a impure water. So impure water will heat it and evaporate it and settled in this condenser. These dots here, these are the water vapors is condensed on the glass, and it is collected here through the pipe and stored in a tank. So here this is a distilled water. So this is a saline water or impure water coming to the tank and store here, and when the solar radiation hit on the water, this will evaporate it, and uh, the condensed and the distilled water is stored. So you can have a number of different pictures in the Google. I take from Google many pictures. It's very nicely explaining what is happening. It's a very simple process, like impure water and impure water. This is a impure water and this is a distilled water. How it's happening? The contaminations are settled here in the bottom, and we have the brine tank. This store the contamination and keep the contamination out from this tank, and the water vapor will be reaching the glass surface, and this as a uh, condensed particles, and this will be collected drops. These are the drops, like a drops will be collected in it and stored in a tank, distilled water tank. Okay, so let's look at some theory behind this solar distillation. Solar distillation is a process that uses solar energy to purify water. So purification is water uh, is the process. The process is purifying the water by removing impurities such as salt, minerals, and other contaminants. This is a very simple. It's not magic. It's a very simple. We are using in our house. We are heating the water and taking the top part of the water. So it's like purifying. Same thing here. We're using that solar energy to heat the water. Then the water will be um, uh, evaporated and settle in the glass surface, and then it's the water drops will be contaminated, sorry, condensed and stored in a tank. So it's a more perfect way of removing the impurities. So it mimics the natural water cycle by harnessing the sun's heat to evaporate water, leaving behind impurities, then condensing the vapor into the clean, potable water. So this is the thing. So in my videos, I highlight always in yellow color the whatever things are very important. Okay. Solar distillation works on two scientific principles: evaporation and condensation. Simple, evaporation and condensation. By evaporation, it leave the particles or impurities, and only the water molecules move to the glass surface. By condensing, these water molecules will condense as a water and stored in a tank. The basic idea is salt and minerals do not evaporate, because these salt and minerals will not do not never evaporate. We are using this technique to purify the water. What are the advantages? Let's look at some advantages. The some advantages that we have. It is environmentally friendly, because solar distillation uses renewable energy from the sun, making it is sustainable and eco-friendly method of purifying water without emitting harmful pollutant or greenhouse gases. So solar distillation uses renewable energy, so it's environmentally friendly. The second advantage is cost effective. So first one is environmentally friendly. Next is cost effective, because the initial setup is very simple. You can do it in your home with the one glass and other tank. Very simple. It's not complicated. Even it's not like a solar thermal kind of collectors or solar panels or whatever things. Even much easy compared to other technologies. So solar distillation require minimal operation cost. Okay, operation cost also very minimal, and it relies solely on solar energy. Only depends on solar energy. It's make it an economical solution for water purification in the long term. So we can do this setup and leave it for we can run it for long term. So that's another advantage. The third one is low maintenance. So almost we don't need any maintenance like wiping out and removing the contamination. That is only things required. Solar distillation system have relatively simple design, very simple design, very simple design with fewer moving parts. There's no moving parts at all, resulting in lower maintenance. So whenever we don't have any moving part, then the maintenance is very cheap. Maintenance is almost zero. I mean, there's no maintenance required. The operational requirement compared to other purification method. So operational requirement is very simple. There's no need any operation ideas or any complication here. So it's very simple. Okay, what are the other advantage? Effective water purification. This is one of the effective method. It can effectively remove salt, minerals, and other impurities from contaminated or saline water, making it suitable for desalination and providing clean drinking water. So providing clean drinking water, it is one of the effective method to provide a clean drinking water in remote and other regions. Then the next one is energy independence. Since it's depend on only on sunlight, solar distillation is ideal for areas that lacks access to the electricity. So even without having the electricity, by using the solar distillation, we can simply heat up the water and purify the water. So where the off-grid scenarios, or if we do not have electricity, still we can function this purification setup to get a drinking water. Then durable and long lasting. So with the proper maintenance, solar distillation unit can last for long time. So there's a long time. We can simply understand because we don't have any moving part. We have a glass and the tank. Very simple. And one is a the water collector, pure water collector, and another one is a impure water tank, which send the impure water to the main tank. Okay, that's all. So that's all. I think we come to the end. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Please subscribe this channel and continue support.